The truth about Doordash Fast Pay, unveiling the 7-day wait and bypass realities. Welcome back, Dashers. Today, we're uncovering the truth behind Doordash Fast Pay and the 7-day wait period. Have you ever wondered why there's a delay when changing your bank account for Fast Pay? Let's dive into the details and explore the realities of this security measure. The 7-day wait period, a security measure. DoorDash implements a security measure to safeguard Dashers' accounts and earnings. This measure dictates that if a Dasher changes their bank account for Fast Pay, they'll have to wait for the next 7 days before cashing out. But why the delay? Let's delve deeper into the rationale behind this security protocol. Enhancing security for Dashers. The 7-day wait period serves as an additional layer of protection for Dashers' accounts. By imposing a delay on Fast Pay after changing bank account details, DoorDash aims to prevent unauthorized access and potential fraudulent activities. This measure helps maintain the integrity and security of Dashers' earnings. Bypass realities. Understanding the limitations. While some Dashers may seek ways to bypass the 7-day wait period, it's crucial to understand the limitations and implications. Attempting to circumvent this security measure can result in account restrictions or other consequences. Let's explore why bypassing the 7-day wait may not be worth the risk. Weighing the options, balancing security and convenience. Ultimately, the 7-day wait period for Fast Pay serves to strike a balance between security and convenience. While waiting may seem inconvenient, it's a necessary step to safeguard Dashers' earnings and protect against potential security threats. Let's consider the importance of prioritizing security in the fast-paced world of delivery services. Conclusion. In conclusion, the truth about Doordash Fast Pay and the 7-day wait period unveils a crucial security measure aimed at protecting Dashers' accounts and earnings. While the delay may pose temporary inconvenience, it ultimately serves to enhance the security and integrity of the platform. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of Fast Pay realities. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow Dashers. Stay tuned for more insights and discussions on navigating the world of DoorDash. Until next time, happy dashing!